Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to Palm Beach Gardens for a train show. It's 7:50 and 54 degrees. I'm freezing my butt off. It's cold outside. Woo! I don't like this weather. It's about a 2-hour drive down there, and it's a nice sunny day, and we're going to be driving into the sun all morning because we're heading east. Okay, we got gas yesterday, 264 at Murphy. So, got a little bit of clouds. I hope clouds getting away. But we're going down 27 right now over to 66, going past Lake Okeechobee, and it's a straight shot. So we'll see you when we get there. Well, here we are at St. Mark's. We're going to take a look around and see what they got here. So, all right. Okay, we got us a lot of any scale here. Boy, all the way up there. On that side too. My goodness, what do we got on this side here? We got some O scale and some G scale here. All right. These are air guns. Not firearms, okay. Got some O-scale stuff here. MTH, Electric Trains, Lionel, Rail King, Atlas. Okay, look at all that. Nice sailboat right there. All right. Got a bunch of Hershey stuff. Action City. Okay. Yeah. All right.
I remember when that after the gym was empty.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Well, the last couple.
Yeah.
This one got a little more advertising.
Yeah, I've been seeing it last couple of train shows.
Yeah, he has been struggling.
Yeah.
He got the right people in here to help him, and they advertised a whole bunch to the rest of us train people.
Yeah.
But like even I didn't know about it half the time.
Oh, wow.
So we know now.
All right, good deal. Okay, so you got some Lionel. Man, look at these. Got some HO here.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
I say that to my sister. That's not how you're supposed to look at it. I'm like, what? They take it back, but she's like, you're supposed to look at it, you don't have to take
Mr. Daniel, how you doing?
And some G scale here. I thought this was the show that we went to last year, but it's not.
No, I went with Dixie. They let me go at Chase. They closed my department, so I'm doing a part-time work. But you know, it's still work.
More LGB down that
But
way.
it's
Then the Lionel. You know, on the other side.
It's easy because it's same.
All right. Oh, nice signals there for Lionel. Assortment of stuff. Got some HO along with it.
Yeah, and they're all AC, so it's okay. did for a while. Well, meanwhile, Jim built the hard desk. That's no way to get
This is still Kenneth Johnson. You got a few tables here, all the way down there. Just take a look. This is on end cap here. A lot of Lionel stuff.
Was that lawsuits?
Pennsylvania. Got some GG1s, 425. This is 120. There's B&O, 200 bucks.
Yeah.
Nice and shiny one, huh?
This one here.
2,400. There's American Flyer, 375. $12.95. A lot of high prices on these. Here's some vintage stuff right here. Goodness. 1920 original Ives. $8.75. Looks like he's been collecting stuff for a long time. All right. Okay. This box, $5 each. Okay. International sports race. What's that? Right there. Make offer, $85. $150 for that set right there. $85 for this set right here, Penn Central. I had that picture somewhere.
That's a good way to do it without having to buy it.
Lincoln Logs. Well, I put all these videos up on YouTube, let everybody else see what's going on.
You have a lot of followers.
Oh yeah, about 31,000.
This is at the point where you're starting to make a few dollars.
Well, not much, but a little bit. Here's a Rubik's Cube that's solved. Don't have to worry about fixing it. There's Ike.
He was worried that you might be worried about it.
A lot of old pins, right? Oh my goodness. Ike, Kennedy Johnson. Wow.
Still looking around.
Roosevelt, FDR. Oh my goodness, look at all those old ones. Here's an old pinball game. Oh my goodness.
Appreciate it.
This is a vintage one right there. Man from Uncle. Ilya Kuryakin. Blue Comet. 4 cars, $100. $100 for that. Alabama. All right. track, $3 each, $3 each, $3 each. Okay. Alright. Let me turn around. You got some G scale right here. And there's O scale back and forth. Another
Good morning, everybody.
G scale over there.
Train show. Hope you're all having fun. I do want to do a quick commercial. The Boy Scouts are selling hot dogs, hamburgers,
Hot
and
dogs and
pulled
hamburgers.
pork. We stayed up all night last night making the pulled pork and getting.
They called 163. We got
See no hands up. We'll do it one more time. 8100-163. You got it? Antics?
Look at this. It won't break up. Nobody's going to buy the whole thing. I'll buy it individual though. Jeez. Hey YouTube followers, this is where I have to end this video because they decided to put some music in the background for the rest of the time that I was there. So if I put that out here, YouTube would demonetize this video in an instant. So the rest of it is going up on Rumble where you could see this entire video. And while you're at it, go on over to Rumble and follow me at Tom Kovichak or Tom's Trains. Or is it Train of Thought? All three of them. You can catch me on Rumble. Two of them are my channels and one is the user account. The Train of Thought is the user account. And over on Rumble, you don't have to worry about getting demonetized. You don't have to worry about answering 20-some questions whenever you upload a video. And even with Rumble, if you're a streamer with Rumble Studio, with no extra charge, it's free. You could stream on YouTube, you could stream on Rumble, you could have guests on there, as many as you want. You could stream to multiple platforms with no extra charge. And it's easy. It's a nice interface and it's there for you. So head on over there. The link is in the description. You know where it's at, right down below. So until the next time, we'll see you. And have fun at those train shows.